Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use and where to find the filters for a picture that you want to edit in the AirBrush application. Now the first thing you have to do is entering the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you can select a photo from your gallery. Now I am already in the section where I can select the photo. You can see up here, you can see all the names of the albums that you have in your gallery. You press on that album and select one of the photos. In this case I'm going to select this one, and let's X this, and down below we can find here the fourth option, which is filter. And if you press on it, you can see all the styles that you can have here. Now some of them are premium options. The first three you can see that those are free. So if I press on any of these, I can scale it. Here you can see the scaling numbers, and I can select any of these, and basically I can apply these filters. Now if I want more special filters, so to say, or unique filters, I have to pay for the premium version, unfortunately. But you can still use 3 filters that are free. So if you feel like you want to do it, here is where you can find them and how to use it. So yeah, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.